So these two blocks here are proof that you don't need to spend a lot of money to get good athletic support. I looked through and found all these famous yoga names and decided, you know what? I don't need the brand names. I'm just going to go for a cheaper one and take a risk. And I'm glad I did, because I have tried other more fancy blocks, and you know, a block is a block. They're not really that much different. These are sturdy enough. I've had them for years. I love the color. They do what they're supposed to do. They support me. Yoga blocks are great. You know, they're good for forward folds, triangle pose especially. I use it for that a lot. Spinal twists are especially good for these. They really help you with stability and protect your joints. They can make yoga more accessible, especially for people who are a bit older like myself. So highly recommend if you want to get into even a calisthenic, let alone a yoga practice. Blocks like this are very helpful. So yeah, especially if you're new to yoga or you don't care about the brands and you just want something that works, I recommend these. Oh, and they do come in different colors if purple's not your thing.